Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tome of Ascension. This ancient artifact holds immense power, capable of elevating your character to new heights. We'll focus on an easy, streamlined method to ensure a smooth and successful ascension. Forget the complicated guides. Our approach breaks down the process into simple, manageable steps. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to harness its power effectively, saving you countless hours of trial and error. Let's dive in and unlock your character's true potential. Before you can activate the tome, some crucial preparations are necessary. First, you'll need to gather 3 distinct rare artifacts. These are often found in challenging dungeons or as quest rewards. Next, your character must achieve a minimum level of 50 to be eligible for ascension. Finally, secure 100 units of arcane dust, a common but essential component for the ritual. These steps are vital for a successful and powerful transformation, so take your time and gather everything meticulously. With all your preparations complete, it's time for the ascension ritual itself. Travel to the sacred altar of whispers, typically found deep within the ancient ruins. Once there, carefully place the Tome of Ascension, your 3 rare artifacts, and the 100 units of arcane dust onto the altar's surface. Now, focus your character's energy and channel it into the altar for about 30 seconds. A bright light will signify the successful activation, marking your character's powerful transformation. Congratulations, your character has successfully ascended. The benefits are immediate and substantial. You'll notice a permanent 20% increase across all your core statistics, making your character significantly more powerful. Furthermore, you will unlock 2 brand new, potent abilities, opening up exciting new combat and utility options. As a final reward, your ascended character will radiate a unique cosmetic aura, visually distinguishing them as a true master. Enjoy your enhanced power and explore new challenges with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.